Hello everyone. Today I will discuss very simple and very easy tricks in curly necks. I know it's a very easy for everyone, but I love to create a video. That's why I just share here. Okay. So what is this? This is a how to create a keyboard shortcut on your curly necks. Okay. So it is a very easy, so step by step I will just share with you. So first, what will you do? So first you have to go to the application, then go to setting, then here you have a keyboard, just click here, and here actually all you have to do. So then application shortcut. Then I have a little bit problem is my own curly necks terminal. Okay, so now I will just create kitty. I mean my terminal is will remove, and I will just create the kitty terminal. Okay, so it is. So now what will you do? So first of all, here we can see that my terminal is already, if I press Ctrl Alt and T, then it will show that usually terminal, but I will change it. Okay. So now what will you do? So click, and then you have to make it the file. Okay, so where actually kitty path, so you have to be create a path, and we have to search just here my kitty, sorry, so here my kitty, and then I just click here, and then I just Control and T, it will show me the kitty terminal. Okay, but if you want to add something, I mean new add, so you can just here add option, and here we have a application, so which one you just create, and which one actually your application you can create here. Okay, so but I just changed the kitty, so it's my need. So let's look that it will appear actually yes or not. So I just type Ctrl Alt and 3, and as you can see that my terminal is already open. So this is very short tricks and very short how to create your terminal, I mean shortcut keyboard, curly. So if you like my video, so please subscribe and like my YouTube video.